Yeah, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you. Based on the period of time you're watching my video, I am Coach John eBay. You see this video I'm dropping today. This video is supposed to be here since, but it has been on my drive, Google Drive. But today I just decided to drop it today. I decided to drop it today. I was checking my Google Drive and I saw this video, so I said, alright, I'll drop it today. I must drop it. So please pay attention so that I'll give you the introduction to Pixelab. Everything that you need to know is today. Alright, let us hit the point. But before I continue, or before you continue watching, do well to subscribe. Click on the notification button, and also so that whenever I drop my video, it will also notify you. But subscribe, like, and comment. If you don't subscribe, that's where I will be having problem with you, seriously. So do what to do, subscribe, okay? Alright, let us hit the point. Now the first thing you have to know about Pixelab is just this one here. Let me show you. Is it this one here? If you want to bring in resources, anything that you want to bring in, that's where you will go. Alright, let me tell you now. Let me show you. You click on this plus icon. You see text. You want to type something. You just come over here. And if you want to type something, do you know what to do? You may not even know. Alright, let me show you now. All you have to do is just what? You come to this A. This A is for what? Text 2. Is for what? Text 2. So you come to this A and you see what? Edit. So you click on edit. That new text, you delete it and type. Let me just type Coach John eBay. Coach John eBay. So you can see it, right? Good. That's very excellent. And then another thing, let us still go back to that. Let us still go back to that plus icon. So you come over here, you come over there. Here is current date. If you want to get the current date, stickers, a lot of stickers, you see them there, though they are not much sharp. Then shapes, you can see a lot of shapes there. Now in this same shape, if you want to check some things, maybe you want to check a lot of shapes, do you know where to go? Now this is where you want to this is where you will go. So when you click on this thing, these small dots there, it will bring you here where you'll be seeing a lot of shapes here, okay? So I really want this video not to take much of our time. That's the reason I'm kind of rushing. So now you want to make this thing to be in radius form, so you can just come to this radius and increase it. Are you seeing what is happening? Are you seeing it, right? Very fine. So the next thing, let me just say opacity. If you want to make something to be if you want to turn something into opacity, opacity, so all you have to do is just what? You turn this thing down. Are you seeing it? You just turn it down. That is 0%. If you want to increase the opacity, you turn it to 100. Are you seeing it? So another thing there is color. Color is very, very important in designing. So the next thing you have to do in color is anyone you want to choose. You choose this one, you choose this one, choose this one. You can see a lot of them, right? Now there is what we call gradient. Now gradient is also part of color, but is a combination of two colors. If you want to combine two colors, you come to gradient. Now you come over here. You see here. So let me show you how to combine two colors. You come over here. You click on this first place here. What I'm giving is an introduction class, like it's just introductory. So just please pay attention, okay? So you click on this thing here, this first one here. So when you click on it, you can just click on this color. You click on this color to be able to change to any color that you want. You can just take this in anyhow you want to take it, anyhow you want to move it, so that you be able to get a particular color. Is fine. All right. Let me change it to this side. Now you can see that this color is blue. Let me just change this one to white, pure white. You can just come here and change this one to white. So you will see that here now is white, where white here is what? Combination of two colors as well. So you can see that here helps a lot. This gradient helps a lot, right? Good. So another thing there is you want to add stroke. Come over here, you see stroke, you add stroke. Opacity of the stroke, you want to turn it down, so that maybe that your shape will not, the stroke will not be much, so you can still do that. So the color of the stroke, so you can see change it. Let me increase the opacity. You can see change it to yellow. You can change it to any color you want to change. You can see it, right? Good. So that now blur, you want to blur the stroke. You can see how it is showing, right? Very simple. Pixelab is just simple. Oh man. All right, let us continue. So the next thing I would like to show you is you want to bring in something, right, from your gallery. So you go there and bring in something. So you want to draw something. Maybe you want to draw a signature. You can just, you can see it, right? So you want to increase the size of the pen that you are drawing. You can just increase it. You see that it will be bold. So that is the smoothness. You want it to be smooth. You can see it, right? Very fine. So dash line, you can see it will be giving you a dash line. So neon effect, you will see the difference there, right? So that is, you want to blur the one that you are choosing. Let me choose another color. So you want to blur it. You can just come over here. You see that this stroke or this line is here. This your pen is also in a blur style, right? All right, that is by the way. So another thing there is to look is come through here, right? So if you want to save all these thing that you just designed, you just have to come to save image, and you want to save it for further. Maybe you want to save it so that whenever you also want to redesign it, you can say come, you save as what project. So that is it. So whenever you want to save something, come here and save as ultra. Come to this default, save it as what, ultra. Don't forget please. So you can see it, right? So it's more advisable to save something as a ultra. The dimensions should be in ultra form. So that is by the way. The format should be if it's in JPG, there is no transparency, but if the thing is in PNG, so it will also save as there won't be any background. So that is also a little things that you have to know about Pixelab. So another thing there is let me come over here. This one here is share. You want to share directly. That is it. This one here is quotes. You want to get quotes. You can still go there and get them. So now you have maybe let me just say you have already designed something and you want to go back there. You can just come over here, open PLOP file. So you can just come over here. You will see some of the things that I have already designed. You will see them, right? So you can just come back and check the thing that I designed already. Let me just open this one so you can see it, right? So I use Pixelab to design this thing. It's very possible now. So that is that. Another thing to know about Pixelab. So let us come over here now. Okay, let me delete this please. Now you are done designing, like you are through with your. So okay, let me just come down here. So maybe you want to redo, or that in computer we normally use Ctrl+Z, right? Yeah, in CorelDRAW. So you come over here and redo. So it will, this one is to increase this so that you will be able to see what you are doing. Are you getting me? So you'll be able to see what you are doing. So but if you do not do it that way, you will not be able to see what you are designing. Are you getting me? So that is that. So another one is you want to use your ruler. Ruler is very necessary while designing. Alignment is very necessary. So when you on your ruler this thing, so you'll be able to use it to get some things. I don't know, let me just go out from here. So you'll be able to use it and do some things, you get. So that is it. So let me show you very well. So you come over here and click, come here and click here in particular. So you'll be able to, you rotate it, get maybe the side, the lines that you want your text to be. When you are designing something, you always have to align them very well, you get. So that is the essence of this ruler. So another one is here. Maybe you have been designing, so you want to bring it up or bring it down. You come over here. Let me use one design that I've already designed so that I'll be able to use it and show you something. So this design here, let me use it. Oh, this one is already corrupt. Pixelab has corrupted this design for me. Alright, let me use this one. The same thing. Oh god, Pixelab is just sometimes it misbehave. Let me use this one then. The same thing. I don't know what I did to Pixelab. So that's, you see that using phone to design is not even like, but we keep on pushing, right? Yeah. Okay, let me check this one then. Let me check this one. Okay, this one is still okay. So this one is still okay. So you can see that I'm the one designing this. We steal my what? Pixelab. So I log this man. You can see that. I log this man here. So you can, so I've unlocked the man. So you can see a lot of things that I'm doing here. You can see a lot of things I'm doing here. So that's the work. That's the work. But another thing there is there is nothing much up here. So you come down, please, at your spare time, you just have to start checking all these things so that you understand them very, very well. Because if you teach yourself, at least I've given you a clue of how Pixelab is, right? So this one is shadow. You want to give a shadow to something, you can see it. Just be checking them one by one. Though whenever I'm also designing, you'll be seeing how I'm doing it. So thank you very much for watching and paying attention. Do well to subscribe, okay? I'll also be dropping some other videos whenever I design, okay? So that you'll be able to catch up very, very fast. I love you all. Bye.